Welcome to Historic Coin, the ultimate destination for every coin lover, history buff, and curious explorer. Today, you're about to dive deep into the fascinating story of a coin that might look small, but its historical roots, symbolic design, and European significance make it a true treasure. Yes, we're talking about the €1 cent coin from Germany. This isn't just any ordinary coin. What you're seeing is a powerful blend of culture, identity, and value, all wrapped in a copper-colored design. Whether you're holding one in your pocket or seeing it for the first time, this coin has more to it than meets the eye. So sit tight and watch till the end. You won't believe how much history and symbolism is packed into something so tiny. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a cent coin the same way again. General overview of the coin. The €1 cent coin is one of the smallest denominations in the euro currency system, but it plays an essential role in everyday transactions across Europe. This coin is made of copper-covered steel, which gives it a reddish color and strong durability. It is light, compact, and widely used in various Eurozone countries. On the obverse side, each country that uses the euro has its own unique national design, while the reverse side features a common European design. In this video, we're focusing specifically on the German 1 cent coin, which carries a very distinct and historically significant design element that sets it apart from others. From its material to its minting, every detail has a purpose. The German national side design. The German version of the €1 cent coin features a beautiful oak twig with leaves and an acorn on the national side. This design is not random. It symbolizes strength, endurance, and the deep roots of German heritage. The oak tree has long been a national symbol of Germany, representing unity, peace, and the nation's connection to nature. This design was created by Professor Rolf Lederbogen, a renowned German artist. You can also see the small letter near the bottom, which identifies the mint that produced the coin. Germany has 5 mints, each with its own letter code: A, D, F, G, or J. This simple detail makes every coin unique. The common European side design. On the reverse side, which is common to all Eurozone countries, the coin displays a globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. Radiating lines extend from the globe, symbolizing the unity and expansion of the European Union. Beneath the globe, 6 vertical lines represent the foundation and strength of the Euro system, each ending in a star. These 12 stars stand for the original 12 members of the EU and echo the European flag. Designed by Luc Loix, a Belgian artist, this side gives the coin its international identity. The word euro cent is prominently featured to reinforce its value and usage across all participating countries. Historical background of the euro. The euro currency was introduced in 1999 for electronic transactions and later in 2002 as physical notes and coins. The aim was to create a single currency that could be used across multiple European countries, simplifying trade, travel, and economic policy. Germany, as one of the founding members of the EU and a key economic power, played a significant role in the euro's development. The introduction of the 1 cent coin allowed for precise pricing and easier adaptation from legacy currencies like the Deutsche Mark. While small in size, the 1 cent coin helped make the euro practical and accepted by the public. Material and specifications. The €1 cent coin is made from copper-covered steel. This composition gives it a distinctive reddish appearance while keeping production costs low. The coin weighs 2.30 grams and has a diameter of 16.25 millimeters. Its thickness is about 1.67 millimeters, making it one of the thinnest coins in circulation. The edges are smooth with no reading, which helps distinguish it from other denominations by touch. These physical specifications were carefully chosen to ensure ease of use, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. It's a small coin with a smart design. Symbolism of the oak leaves. The oak leaves on the German national side carry deep symbolism. In ancient times, the oak tree was considered sacred in many cultures, including Germanic tribes. It stood for power, courage, and wisdom. In modern Germany, it continues to symbolize strength and endurance. The oak motif has appeared in German currency before, such as on the Pfennig coins before the euro. By including it on the 1-cent coin, Germany maintained continuity with its monetary heritage while embracing the future with the euro system. This blend of past and present makes the coin both a historical and modern symbol. Mint marks and identification. German coins include a small letter to identify the mint of origin. These letters, A, D, F, G, and J, stand for mints in Berlin, Munich, Stuttgart, Karlsruhe, and Hamburg, respectively. Each mint produces coins in large volumes, and collectors often seek to obtain a full set from all 5 mints. This makes even the 1-cent coin collectible, especially when in uncirculated condition. Over time, subtle differences may appear in coins from different mints, which adds another layer of intrigue for coin enthusiasts. Spotting these details becomes a fun challenge for numismatists. Circulation and rarity. Although the 1 euro-cent coin is very common, some editions and mint years are harder to find, especially in pristine condition. Certain years had lower mintages, and these can become more valuable to collectors. Additionally, coins that are in mint condition, with no scratches or tarnish, are always in higher demand. Some error coins, those with mistakes during minting, are even more valuable. This adds a surprising twist to such a small denomination. The possibility that a seemingly ordinary coin might be worth far more than 1 cent. Usage in daily life. Despite discussions in some countries about phasing out the 1 and 2 cent coins due to their low value, they remain crucial in many economies. They allow for exact pricing and prevent price rounding, which can be important for both consumers and retailers. In Germany, these coins are still widely used, especially in supermarkets, vending machines, and small shops. Their continued use shows how even the smallest coins can hold great importance in daily financial transactions. People often underestimate their value, but in large numbers, they add up significantly. Collecting value and investment. Coin collectors, also known as numismatists, often collect 1-cent coins from different years and mints. Over time, these coins can increase in value, especially when preserved properly. Some collectors focus on full euro sets from each country, while others seek rare variants or error coins. A German 1-cent coin in brilliant uncirculated or proof condition might be worth several times its face value. This makes collecting small coins not just a hobby, but a potential investment. And unlike paper money, coins tend to last for decades if kept well. Educational and cultural significance. Beyond monetary value, coins like the German 1 cent serve as educational tools. They teach us about history, culture, geography, and economics. By studying a single coin, we can learn about the symbols a nation values, its artistic traditions, and its political history. School children, history students, and museum curators often use coins to illustrate larger cultural narratives. For tourists, these coins become pocket-sized souvenirs that carry a story from another land. For Germans, it's a reminder of national pride and shared European identity. Fun facts and trivia. Here are some fun facts about the 1 euro-cent coin. Did you know it costs almost as much to produce as its face value? Or that some countries have stopped minting them entirely due to cost concerns? Also, in Germany, some commemorative coin versions are made in special collector sets. There's even a subculture of penny hunting, where people search for rare mint marks or error coins. And get this, there are people who've built entire art pieces and jewelry using only 1-cent coins. Its impact is bigger than you think. conclusion, and call to action. So there you have it, the story of the German 1 euro cent coin, a piece of metal that holds history, art, and economics in its tiny frame. From its oak leaf symbolism to its European design, from its minting story to its cultural weight, this little coin proves that even the smallest details can carry the biggest meanings. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Historic Coin. We've got many more hidden treasures to uncover from around the world. Let us know in the comments which coin you want to explore next. Until then, keep collecting, keep learning, and keep discovering history. One coin at a time.